This is I believe it's from about 1969. This is a Starcraft. Let's go over here. So check it out. This was on the ocean at one point, and evidently the last time it was registered was in 2008. Woo! It's been sitting for a while. I did give it a good pressure wash today, and it's not looking bad at all. So let's come back. Yes, she's a Starcraft. So let's climb aboard, gentlemen. Welcome to the. I don't know. It's not named yet. I don't have a name for the vessel yet. I'm thinking of like Mr. Bigglesworth. Welcome aboard, Mr. Bigglesworth. All right, let's do this. There is some bees or something. Okay. There's this is very custom, the cabin. This does not come this way. So there's some good, there's some bad. We're gonna see the good and the bad. Okay, mainly let's see the real bad first. It's not the engine, but it is the transom has taken some. It just looks like it's really old. It's taken some water damage, but it's not the hole on the frame. It's the there's a wooden transom right there, and it's it's soft. Only in this area. It's soft in this area. Over there, it's fine. So what I'm thinking was happening. It's been sitting for many years, and it puddled up with water in this area, and it took damage. But look, I mean, here's the whole. This is not. That's all the aluminum frame. The only bad part that needs to be replaced is this wood piece right here. So that's the biggest part of this project. This motor is in good condition. It needs to be swung down, and I can start working on the motor. But let's climb aboard, eh? Oh. Check it out on the top. Check this out, dude. So I mean, this is this is just. So what's up? This is actually just sitting on here. This is hilarious. So I don't know what this is about, but it obviously. This little door is on rails. It's like a sunroof. So let's check this shit out, dude. Look, there is living moss on this floor, dude. But look. I'm scared I'm gonna fall through this floor, but no, actually it's fine. So, gas tank. Fuel line, all of the necessary lines besides power obviously are hooked up. Let's see, everything's ready. I mean, this is really old stuff from the 60s, but I mean, obviously look at the metal on the chrome the chrome is bubbling. It's old. This is awesome. I mean, look at, there's old shit sitting around this boat that really hasn't been touched for a long time. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, shit. We got a fire extinguisher. We got another fire extinguisher. Dude. Oh, we got like a jacket and some life jackets. We got somebody's old ass fucking jacket in here. Look at the steering wheel, dude. Oh my god. Oh, look. Oh, look, there's a fucking wasp hive up there. Oh, there's a wasp. Yeah. There's a wasp's nest there. Oh, and there's one right there with a wasp on it. Okay, there's bees in my boat, bro. There's bees in my boat. Hold on. Let's check this out. Is this a murder hornet? Is it a murder? There's a fucking bee in my boat. I also noticed, look at this. This is hilarious. This is the key. Evidently, this is the, oh, it's not the key. It's just a switch. What's the paperclip about? All right, so there's wasps in my boat. Oh, man, but look, this is actually, oh, there's another wasp. Okay, there's three, one. Oh, fuck, there's another one. There's another one. Okay, there's wasps. Oh, whoa, all right, so let's go ahead and make this short and get out of the boat. There's a bunch of wasps in the boat, dude. Oh, no, there's wasps. Is there anything crazy over here? A couple bricks. Oh, my God. Dude, another, oh, pfft. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh, this is gonna actually take a while to clean up, dude. This is, whoa. Wow. Warning. Warning, this boat contains murder hornets. Oh, shit. All right, you guys. Oh, my God.